Alright, hopefully this does work. Hopefully I'm live right now. Actually, don't know. Come on. Pretty soon. Back to Twitch. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Alright, let me just do this real quick. I think this is it. That was 41 seconds. Alright, yep, this is it. So let me just delete this one. Yep. Alright, there we go. Now I just have to do this real quick. Give me 1 second, chat. And we are... There we go. Join the vibes. There we go. Now I just have to copy and paste this again. Oh, fuck. Hold up. Live. There we go. Let me just copy and paste this all over. Now. Let me get up this. There we go. I do apologize, but we usually do have a command that asks. Actually, yeah, there should be it. Hold up. I'm losing track. So basically, there should be a command if you do exclamation mark, music please, but PLS instead of please. So, that gives you the playlist that we're listening to, but I don't know what playlist this is. It's one of those playlists where I can't get anything on, so I don't know. That command just doesn't work right now. So sorry about that. I apologize. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy and paste this everywhere where I can. So if you guys don't mind, I will just be here just doing this real quick. I do apologize if I don't look at chat that much. But yeah, it happens sometimes, so. But I will give you guys I'll give you guys a little bit of a breakdown on what we are going to do today after I post just a couple more on here. Shouldn't take that long, but I don't know, just so you guys know. So, there we go. Just copy and paste everything here. Then we just have to make a quick Twitter post, and then we should be good. And then we can just focus on the stream and go from there, you know? But hopefully everyone's day is going good. Hopefully it's all going well and all going good. So if I mess up on my words, I am not good at talking. So that's just something I have to get better at. Or something like that. I don't know. Alright. Just a couple more servers, then we should be good. You... Alright. Glitz, maybe? Nah. Social zone. Alright. What is this? Alright. So I think we can just... Oh, wait, this is actually pretty cool. Alright. So, give me a couple more seconds. They shouldn't take that long. So, I do apologize, but this is kind of like the most boring part about the stream. Just getting the stream link out there. Just getting some more traction here. Just all that. There's one... eventually I will probably just have a Discord server that just announces it for me. So, not right now though. Right now I'm still just doing this all manually, so, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. But, I'll give you guys a breakdown on what we are going to do today. Once I get all this down, just like I said. But, yeah. Alright, there we go. Sorry for spamming, but sorry. Alright, there we go. Alright. Just one more server, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Not sure if yeah, we're gonna do Instagram as well. We're doing this, so why not just do all of them? But I do want to lift up, I joined a new Discord server that helps each other grow. And I want to, like, give some people of work. So, give me 1 second. There we go. Alright, give me 1 second, and we should be on our way. So you. Alright. Not you, not you, not you. Okay, what is it? You? Yeah, you're alive. Okay, mute. Alright. I just want to help out. Them as much as I can. I like helping people. I love helping people. It's really fun to do. It's free to do as well. So, you know. So, just so you guys know. But alright, let me just pull up this as well. And all we just have to do is, what's it called? Oh yeah, do Discord. Discord is all good. I'll be honest, I forgot my train of thought, but you know, that's fine. It happens. So, let me just do this real quick. Get this. Bring up my twits here. Alright. Create a dashboard. Open it. Well, yeah, it was the creator dashboard. Oh, also, thank you everybody for getting us to 240 followers. I really appreciate that. Also, shout out to J Guns if you are watching this. I do appreciate you. You were the 240th follower, so thank you, man. I really appreciate it. Now we are gonna do a little bit. We might try to make a new goal for followers, but it's probably not gonna come later until later. My bad. But alright. Move this screen over. Also, we're just drinking water today. Nothing too special. So, yeah. Alright, let me do this. Let me close out of this tab here. Let me open up. What was I opening up? I don't know. We're not gonna open up the software yet. Well, hold on. I want to post the socials first, cause that's a very important step in this whole thing. Hey, J Guns, thank you. I appreciate you, man. How's your day going there? Hopefully it's all going well. I do apologize, but we are just posting up on our socials. You know how boring that could be, but hey, hopefully your day's going good, man. Alright. Once I get all this up, I will tell you guys what the game plan is today. But you guys can have a pretty good idea about it based off the title of this stream. Absolutely. And it's been pretty great so far. Hope yours as well. Hey, thank you, man. I'm glad everything's going all well. My day's actually going pretty good. I cleaned my closet, which I had to do, but I liked it. I like cleaning, I'll be completely honest. As weird as that sounds, I love it. It's fun. I like it. I enjoy it greatly. But, hey, I appreciate you, man. Glad everything's going well with you. Alright, let me get this posted up here real quick. Alright, so, let me just do this. Let me just get a selfie real quick here. Selfie time. There we go. absolutely, and it's been pretty great so far. Hey, I'm glad everything's going all right with you too as well. All right, let me get this posted up here real quick. Game dev time on Twitch. Come join up. All right. Hashtag game dev. Game dev. Hashtag game developer. Game developer. Then hashtag. Hey, let's go. Let's. Nice. Hey, good one. Appreciate you, man. All right. Let me get this tweet. All I have to do is just do a quick Twitter tweet and just post on my Instagram and stuff like that, and then we should be good to go back on the streaming. All right. All right. Twitch stream. Twitch. Hashtag Twitch affiliate. There we go. We just add some people here. Then we should go. Come on. I hit my fat fingers. All right. At Owl retweets. Owl retweets at Blitz team. There we go. That should be good. Now I just have to paste this. All right. Twitter is posted. So now I just have to do Instagram. But Instagram shouldn't be that hard. Just have to copy and paste a bunch of stuff. Easy like that. Alright. Hopefully that all went up. So let me just get... yeah, Instagram. I completely forgot what I was gonna go. But, I don't know. Alright, let me do story. There we go. Game dev time. Come join. Time to make a game. To make a video game. Come join up. Alright. Let's do one more maybe. Alright. I also hate... I don't know why. I don't know what's been happening, but my Instagram story has been getting liked by a lot of, like, porn stars. I don't know. It's hard to explain. Yeah, it's weird. It's one of those things where, you know... Oh, well, you gotta do something about it. But, I don't know. Let's go with story here. Same thing, game dev time. Time to make a video game. Make a video game. Come join the vibe. Come join the vibe. I also have no clue what this playlist is. If you do exclamation mark music please, that's the command to get the music, like what music we're currently listening to. It used to be that, but it's not that playlist anymore. It's just a completely random playlist now. I'm kind of digging it, but I don't know how to get to it. So I don't know. It's that that one is just not good anymore. So I do apologize. But it's kind of one of those like things where Spotify just gives up, you know. I don't know. Right, let me actually do hashtags on this one. Game dev. Alright, there we go. I do like it though. Hey! For Boogie 85, thank you for the follow, man. Hopefully your day's going good. Alright, so now that we posted everything, let's go over what we want to do today. So if you guys didn't come to yesterday's stream, we were making a video game, but only using ChatGPT. So let me just pull up what we got so far. So right now we don't actually have anything all. Right now we don't have anything like worth showing right now. We haven't done any like code or anything like that. You guys know how it is. But let me just bring up ChatGPT, or however you say it. So let's just do this. Let me get all the screens up here. Alright, so let me get up notes. Notes. Yeah, video game. Alright, there we go. Let me just get this. Alright, so basically what we decided to do is we are going to make, hold up, let me get Dead Zone Tactics. So the game's going to be called Dead Zone Tactics. It is going to be a top-down shooter video game type beat. Now, I will say, this is basically a Zombies Arcade. But let me get the screens up here. There you go. So basically, this is what we have written down so far. So what we have to do today is get an after death score mechanic, player movement, death system, enemies. And there we go. So basically what this is we're making a video game only using ChatGPT. But the only thing we can't do really is we can't make the graphics and games music in the video games, or any of the sounds in the video games. So that we have to do ourselves. But every single code, every single idea of the video game, all the mechanics and everything like that, we are going to use ChatGPT for it. So basically, what you can ask it is, ask it for game titles, stuff like this. If you guys don't know what it is, it's just an AI where it can help you with a bunch of stuff, like homework, coding, stuff like that. So we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it to see if we can actually use it as a video game. I don't know how it's gonna go, but hey, that's what we're here to find out. So basically, we asked it for a 2D game ideas, and these are the ideas that it gave us. So Space Runner, Endless Runner, platformer, puzzle game, tower defense, racing game, side scroller, roguelike, sports game, then just a whole bunch of more other things like that. But I don't know. So we're making a top-down shooter game. So it's gonna be called what's it called? The Dead Zone Tactics. Just something cool. Alright. Let me actually see. I want you to make me a graphic. Crap. Let me ask. I actually don't know if it could actually do graphics. I want you to make me a graphic of. I want you to make me a title screen of a video of top down 2D zombie survival wave based survival game. So let me see if we can ask it a question about what's it called? Something. I don't know. I lost my train of thought, but I have an idea. So let me just boot up this real quick. Alright, so let me ask it if it can actually make it graphic. I don't know. I want you to make me a title screen of a top-down 2D zombie wave-based game survival game. Yeah, title screen. Yeah, let's see. Okay. So, title is zombie survival. It's not gonna be. Alright, so it gave us some ideas. So that's actually really good. So let me just go back to the drawing board here. Mechanics. Let me go here. 1, 2, 3. Title screen. We can actually make the title screen now. I think that should be our first and format thing. There we go. So, zombie survival. We're not gonna have a subtitle. Well, we might not have it. So the title, of course. Title. TIT. Alright, hold on. Title. There we go. Now we got it. So, this is actually gonna expose me for not being able to spell a bunch, but oh well, what are we gonna do about it? So, can't really do much about it though. So, oh well. Make sure everything's posted real quick. Alright. Looks like everything is all posted. Looks like Instagram's all posted. Well, let's do Snapchat real quick again. Alright. Game development time. On stream again. There we go. On stream again. Come join the VOD. Let me get a better font for this as well. I'm gonna have this actually look decent. Alright. Yeah, screw it. This is good. Hey, we got Cal Scrubby here, too. Alright, alright. I like this song. Now this song I know. But the other ones I have no clue. Alright, let me just do this again. Allow paste. DietrickOG. Twits. There we go. Stories. Then this would be the last story that we should do. And I don't need to look at my phone again after this. Okay, so. Back to it. So. Let's do the title real quick. We can open up Photoshop. Look for what it's gonna be. What's the dimensions of a... How do I... Let's do title screen help for this one. Screen help. There we go. Excuse me. Sorry about that voice crack. Don't know what that was all about. Alright, so this is gonna be the title screen menu. How do I make a title game title screen for a video game inside Unity? There we go. So we can do this. The main menu, the main thing that we are going to try to get done today is making the main menu. That shouldn't be that hard. So the foreground area, a lone survival armed with a shotgun standing in the center of the screen, looking determined and ready to fight. Gameplay features: survive as many ways as possible. That's basically what we're gonna be doing. Collect weapons, ammo, and power-ups to stay alive. Yeah. Upgrade your skills and abilities to become a more effective fighter. Face off against the increasingly challenging zombie types and bosses. Complete against other players for the high score. So I feel like the high score that's gonna become a while from now. Once we add multiplayer to this game. But right now we're just trying to get the basics all finished. You know, the movement, the wave system, all of that, and then we can focus on like the art and everything there. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, let's do software development here. Soft. There you go. We also gotta make sure we have the right game on here too. I wonder if Kick has it. So, call to action. Okay. So this one is just saying press any key to start. That's what we can do. Alright, so create a new screen by selecting File, Scenes. Let's go into Scenes. Let's actually call this the main menu. Main menu. Yes, let's reload. So, we're starting on a completely different level. So this is going to be our main menu here. So, let's actually not... Let's not focus on the graphics. Let's just get something that will work for now. So let's do main menu first, and then let's do the game. Let's add a new scene, and let's do gameplay, game area, gaming, game. There we go. Yeah, that should be good. So let us do File, Build Settings, and let's do Scenes and Menu. Alright, so this would be Control S. Gotta always save our stuff. Then let's do Build Settings. Alright, so add an open scenes. Alright, so this isn't working, so let's boot up the game. So main menu. Let's actually put something in the game, just so we have just something in here. So let's add a 2D object, a sprite of a square. Every good game starts with a square. So let's do square. Let's name this a player. Let's give it a player tag, of course, so we don't like mess up anything. Let's give it an untagged player. There we go. Let's make sure our let's add assets. Let's add let's do Windows maybe. Okay, yeah, packet manager. Then in project, there should be something here. Let's do Unity registry. There should be something here. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like player controller, I think it is. Let's try to find it. That just helps us with the movement and everything here. Input system, here it is. Install the input system. This will help us with the, like, controlling everything and making the player move and everything like that. All the good stuff that we want in a video game. So, that's good. So, let's just import this. Then, wait, who synced this? Okay. I'm actually gonna pull this here, too. Just so you guys know. Alright, looks like this project is using new input packets. Do you want to enable the backends? Yes, sir. Alright, so it looks like we got everything all set up here. Save. Okay, so it looks like it's just restarting for us. With a new controller on it. So, we might just, I don't know if we're gonna use, I don't know. Alright, not sure what we're gonna do. Hey, also, Memph, sorry if I say your name wrong, but welcome to the stream. I don't know if I already said that before, but thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate you. Alright, let's see if we got the good packets in here. Okay, so we do have the input system. Let's go. It's the mathematics. Alright, so let's be good. What's the lobby? Enable players to find, create, or join lobbies with lobby. Okay, so that's gonna be like for later then. Alright, so let's see if we can get this here. Okay, it's not. Unless we can just drag and drop this. Oh, yeah, we can. Okay, so now we have the main menu and the game in here. So let us do, back out here. Let's get the main menu here. Open up this. Then we should have nothing here. So let's go back to what ChatGPT says what we should do. Then we could just open up Photoshop, get all that. So I want the game to actually have, like, I don't know if we're, well, yeah, we could just have the music and everything turned down a bit. I think that should be a good way to start. All right, there we go. So everything's all good and good. Still can't talk though, but oh well. We'll do something about it. Alright, there we go. Let's put this back here. Let's actually put this down here, so... this... Don't need that dinosaur. Alright, so... We got the main menu here. We're just gonna add... Here it is, title screen. To create a title screen in your video game inside Unity, you can follow the steps. Create a new scene by selecting File, New Scene. We got that. Design the title screen by adding UI elements like text, images, and buttons. You can use the Unity UI tools to create these elements. At background, you can do game object, UI, and image. Okay, yeah, let's do that. So let's do add UI. Let's do text mesh pro. Import text mesh pro. This is something that we need basically. So text, let's do what's it called? Dead Zone Tactics. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, yep, so we can just move this up here. Move that right here, in the middle here. Then, Dead Zone Tactics. Oh wait, actually, hold on. It's not Dead Zone Tactics. It's just gonna be named, game title. There we go. So, let's do text. Let's do Dead Zone Tactics. So, tactics. Tactics. There we go. Probably didn't spell that right, but oh well. There we go, Dead Zone Tactics. Just want to make this in the center. Let's do right there. Let's see what that looks like. Alright, sir. This is gonna look very bad so far. Alright, let's see what this says. Add animation effect. Create a script for the handle user input. For example, you can create a script that listens to the players. Press start button and then loads the next scene. Okay. How to add a system for the main menu title screen. How do I add a system that listens if the Okay, how should we ask this? The hard part about this is we actually have to think about what questions you're gonna ask before you ask ChatGPT to get like the best stuff for it. Actually, hold up. Let me do this real quick. I wanna do a new manage goal. Then follow goal. Hey, let's go. Let's do start a new goal. Instead of do 240, let's do 280. 280. There we go. Start goal. Okay, there we go. Done. Got a new goal. So, trying to do 280 this time. There we go. Alright. Let's be good for now. But right now, how do I add a system that... How do I add a function for a title screen in Unity that lets the player hit any button to... How do I add a function for a title screen in Unity that lets the player hit any button to start the video game? Video game. Explain where I should attach the script to inside the Unity screen. There we go. So here it is. Create a new C# script called assets, create, title screen. Okay. So I don't know where this is gonna be attached to. Game object, create empty. Okay, so it's just to create empty for the screen. Okay. So create a new C# script. We shouldn't be worried about. So this is in. Let's do this first. Let's go to assets. I don't have any. Okay, let's do a new script. Create C#. Oh crap! Hold up. Let me just delete this. Let's just make a folder for the scripts and everything. Then it'll be easier for us to do. So let me just do create new folder, scripts. Let's open up a script. Then let's do create new C# script, and then let's do title. Let's see what we're gonna follow the screen T. So I named it title screen. So let's do rename title screen. There we go. So we should be good here. Let us do. Let's go into the code right here. Shouldn't be that bad. We could just have to. Well. Okay, it didn't. So. Okay, so it's just title. So let's just delete this. There we go. Let's create a new C# script, title screen, TLE screen. There we go. I do apologize if it's a little bit too low. I can't really do anything about that. So, there we go. Now it's title screen. Wow, let's open it up. There we go. Now it's all good. So title screen. Let's get up this. So, using Unity Engine, I'm gonna move this over top of my screen so I can actually read this while typing it in for you guys. So let us do this. Public class, title screen, got all that. / update. So it's only in the update menu. So let's delete these. So in the update, so if input dot any key down, then let's do crap. Let's go back. I'm still getting used to coding, everything like that. So scene manager dot load screen. Load. I think it's game. Let's call. So basically here we're calling the next scene. What is this game? So let's do this game. Gotta make sure it's all right. Game. Then There we go. Now we're just gonna add using Unity ends in dot scene management. Scene manager. There we go. So let's just copy and paste this. Let's save it. So let's go back to here. Okay, so the script listens to any key pressed when it detects one, loads the game scene. You can create an empty game object by selecting game object, create empty in the top menu, then drag title screen script onto it. In the inspector window, save the screen and press play to test out the screen. Alright, let's do it. So, let's get up this. Let's do a create empty. Scene manager. Actually, let's do title manager. So let's drag the, let's go back to the scripts here. Title screen, go back to here. There we go. Be main menu. Uh-oh, don't need to do that. There we go. So, assets, scripts, title screen, error, typer management, name is placement, and a file. Oh, so I just have to I missed a quotation mark or a semicolon somewhere. So what did I... Oh, here it is. There it goes. So you also gotta make sure that you don't do a comma. Never do what I did. It sucks. So there we go. The compiler should be done. No namespace for scene manager does not exist in the Unity. I think we spelled that wrong as well. So let me just give this up. Scene management. That's what I did wrong. Okay. Always double check your code, guys. Scene management. There we go. So hopefully that works. Okay. Does not contain the definition for load. Scene manager does not... Alright, hold up. Let me just ask it this. I got an error in Unity that says... Let's do... Alright, hold on. What does it say here? So it says... Scene manager does not contain definition for load. It says... Scene manager does not contain a definition for load. Alright, let's see what it says. If you're getting Unity says does not have the definition for load, it is possible you don't have imported or require namespace. Here's how you can fix it. Okay. So, let's just see if that actually works here. So I'm gonna... Let me actually get this screen on here. Sorry, guys. Alright, there we go. Let's close out of that. I'm gonna move this screen over here so I can see it a little bit better. So, make sure you have the latest version of Unity installed, as older versions may not support containing features. Let's see if it's all updated here. Real quick. File. Hold up. Let's do this. Alright, so scene manager does not contain a definition for load. Load scene. That's what I meant. That's what I was meant to see. Load.scene. Scene. Damn it. Hold up. Load. Load. There we go. Load.scene. That should work. So let's see if that works. Alright, let's go. It worked. So, now here's the thing. Did it work? So let's get play here. So, let's just hit space. Let's go. We got the basic. We got it to work. Now we just have to make the. Now we just have to make the actual game right, you know. So let's go back here. Let's actually delete the delete the canvas. We don't need this. Event manager. Let's add a UI. Let's add an image. Alright, let's see this. Let us get this all set here. Let's bring up Photoshop as well. Alright, there we go. Let's make sure everything is all inside this circle. Oh, there we go. It is. So, basically, it is a... I want to be able to... I want to write this down, so let me bring up my notepad here. So, title. So, it is 11:02. That doesn't seem right. 11:02. Actually, here, let's see if this actually works here. So, let me pulling up just a random image on my computer. Just like... Alright, so let's do project. Excuse me. Scenes. Assets. Let's do create. Photos. Photos. Let's go. Open this up. Let me bring in this image here. It's just a picture of a Ferrari. Nothing too special. So let's do canvas. Let's do image. Let's see source image. See if something happens here. Okay, so it's not actually in line with everything. So we are going to pull up Photoshop after this. And then let's go see if we can actually do this. Oh, crap. I also do want to save this song too. Pretty good song. It's exactly 3 minutes long. Let's actually move this playlist over here. Let me bring up the stream again. There you go. So, we just want to make this as smooth as we can. Alright, so let us do there you go. You want to make sure it's perfectly aligned. That way we can get the position all correct. Alright. There you go. So, right now, this is the image that we are using for the currently streaming. So, it's not perfect, but it works, you know. So, this is the game. Boom. So, let me see what the game looks like. We can actually just delete this. Color, do black. Actually, let's just do this. So, 11:02, 5:15. Let's do 1080 by, what is it? display, free aspect. Let's do 16:9. So I think that's free aspect. Let's do, I don't know. Let's boot up Photoshop and see what we can do. So now we are actually doing we're doing the fun stuff now. We got the commands all working. Now we just gotta do this real quick. So let's do new file. Let's do OBS screen, sir. Let's just do default Photoshop. Then let's do dead zone tactics. There you go. So this is basically just a test. So let us do this. Ooh, actually, Control Z. Let us first get this all done. Dead zone. Dead zone tactics. So let's make this a little bit bigger here. Let's make it 48. Nope, not 48. Let's do 30. Let's make this into the middle. Alright, so hopefully we can make this into the... There we go. I don't know why it's shaking though. Alright, let's just do this. Old-fashioned way. So, I don't know why my mouse is actually doing this. Wait, hold up. How much is my PS taken? Okay, everything's all good. So, the good news is, we're just doing this to just do it. Dead zone tactics. That's basically in the middle. Let's actually pull in a guy. So, let's do guy with shotgun determined to survive. Let's see what this does. Okay. Never mind. Alright, so looks like we gotta do this ourselves. So let me pull up my drawing pad here. Just move this up here. Alright, so I have this drawing pad, so let's see if we can use it. It'll be good. Let me just do this real quick. Now we're just trying to get some good stuff here. So it's supposed to go. I think it's supposed to go this way. Yeah, I think that's supposed to how it goes. So let's just get everything all situated here. Get you out. I haven't got a fall. Oh, this is... Look at how tight this is. This is bad. Yeah, no, I'm taking off this glove. This glove sucks. Right, let me get this up. So, let me actually hope this works. So, give me 1 second. Alright, let me just plug this in. There we go. Alright, so let me go back to Photoshop here. okay, it's backwards. So that's good to know. Alright. Hopefully this works. Okay, let me just do this to see how it all works. Let's do all black. Can I use that brush tool? No laser selected. Okay. Let's just do background. Oh my god. So let's do size. No, one of these are size. It's been a while since I used this. Might have to download the software for it, but okay. Don't know why it's not working. Hold up. Let me download the application for this too. So, give me 1 second. I'm missing. Alright. This shouldn't take long. Let me just save it. Alright, there we go. I do apologize. Let me just exit out of the code as well. So, we know it worked, so that's good. Let's do Gammon. 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 28. 2. 8. MTK. Let's do MTK software. So I do apologize. Here it is. I think that's why my tablet's not working. I think I just have to download the stuff that we need. Excuse me. Download this. Alright, shouldn't be that long. There we go. Alright. Yes. Confirm. Alright, hold up. Let me just get rid of this. Yes. And of course, doesn't work. Alright. So let me just exit out of this. Confirm. So it's installing the program. Let me actually just make sure. Start now. Device connected. Whoops. That'd be very bad if I was using the wrong thing. Alright, hold up. I think this is crap. Hold on. I think I gotta do this screen then. Alright, there we go. So mask mode off. Display. Let me make sure this is all working. There we go. There we go. That's great. Alright, so let me just do workspace on here. Okay, there we go. It should work. Now it's just going to make sure that Photoshop is all updated so I can actually use the drive. Or the cloud storage. That's what I meant to say. Apps, maybe. Yeah, so it's all up to date. So I don't know why it's not letting me lot. Advanced plugins, maybe. Alright, I don't know. Let's open up Photoshop and see. So I'm actually going to go to the bathroom real quick. So don't go anywhere. I will be right back. So keep safe, and I'll be right back. Let me just open up the Photoshop menu here. New file. Let's just do the Hey, let's do title screen. There we go. Let's just do create. So hopefully I can actually save this in. Let's just see if I can actually save this into. I can. Okay, so let me do dead zone tactics. There we go. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back. Give me 1 second. Enjoy the music. Love y'all. There we go. I'm back. So hopefully, let me go. Let me do this. So hopefully it's all good. Aha, yeah it is. Let me do cursive real quick. So I gotta get better at using this. So let me just do... Let's do like... So, alright, so what I'm thinking of is just do like something simple right now. Alright, so do something very bad. Alright, so this basically, this isn't gonna be like the full thing. We're actually gonna take some time. Probably gonna think about it offline though. Might do it offline though. I don't know. Or on here, I don't know. Alright. There we go. Just wanna make this all here. It's kind of like a foggy area here. There we go. Alright, so we don't need different colors. Alright, let me just do this real quick. There we go. Let me just do this. Honestly, I kind of like this look. It's not good at all, but... You know... We're just trying to get something here to get done. Alright, there we go. Let's keep it like this. Alright. Kind of pushed down way too hard there. Okay. I kind of like that. Get rid of some of the blacks though. Like the deep blacks though. Actually, let's just have to start this whole thing over. Okay, yep, there it goes. So, let's just do like some scribbles. Okay, let's just move this up. So let's just do some of this. Oof. We also gotta lift up a little bit. There we go. Gotta do like some deep blacks down at the bottom. Let's just do some like this. I kind of like this look though. Ain't gonna lie. It's like kind of foggy. Nothing's really going on in it though. But yeah. Let's lift it up. Also, this is just basically just a base thing. This definitely is not going to be the main title screen of it. We're actually going to take our time on it. Do some of the graphics on it. I don't know. So, when it says Dead Zone Tactics, I'm thinking about like... Maybe the logo can be like the hazmat. Hold up. Let's look up a photo of it. It's like one of those contamination. There it goes. Let's do contamination. Logo. I want to use something like kind of like this, but in like a different style. I think that's gonna be like a good. Can I like do this? Just put it like this way. No, I can't. Okay, so that's not good. Just give me 1 second. I just want to make sure this is all connected and good. Not gonna use it all that much today. We're just gonna plug this in. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now it should be good. So I'm thinking that the logo being like this, since the game is gonna be called Dead Zone Tactics, this can be like one of the logos that can be a theme in it. But I don't know. That's like way later down the line though. We'll get to it when it gets to it. We want to do like some branding on it. Gonna make sure it's actually plugged in first. Alright, there we go. Let's do very deep in the bottom. There we go. So this is definitely not going to be the main thing, like I said before. But, you know, we don't know. Alright, there we go. There we go. You know, I kind of like this. Alright, there we go. I don't know, something that simple. We just put this on the ground here. So, nah. We don't need the drawing pad anymore, so let's just get it out like this. Let me just put this on the bed real quick. There we go. Now we got it. So, let's add a text. Game name. Game title. So let's do this. Let's do Dead Zone Tactics. Make sure we actually got the name right too. So let's go back to the game screen here. So let's go game titles here. Dead Zone Tactics. Probably spelled it wrong, but oh hey, we didn't. Let's go. So let's do just white for this. Let's do this. Let's name it white. So let's okay, yeah, I don't know. It's still doing like the weird thing. Its own tactics. I'm not sure why it's like bugging out that much, but like that. I don't know. Let's do right there, sure. Alright, so let's do this. Press any buttons. Let's go. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's make this like a deep gray. We're gonna mess around with the different fonts and all that a little bit later, but let's just make it down 16%. Okay, let's make it. Let's just keep it white. Let's do instead of that whatever that says. Let's do press any button. Any key to start. Press any key. There you go. Now let me move this down here. Okay, there we go. It's not freaking out anymore. So we can actually make this a little bit pretty. There we go. Do right here. So this is the title screen so far. Alright, so let's do save this. Let's do file, export, quick export. Let's do Dead Zone Tactics. Let's do this. So I think it's saved. I also don't have anything up. So, I don't know. Let's exit out this. Close out this. Dead Zone Tactics. Let's bring up the Unity drive again. I don't know. I thought we would spend a little bit more time on that, but I guess not. So, let's do it. Let's bring this over here though. Let's put up dead zone tactics. We can actually just use that. Sorry if you guys heard like a loud noise. Alright. There we go. So, let's see if we can go to the scene. Let's bring in our photo here. Oh, that's gonna be very tiny, isn't it? Well, actually, maybe. I don't know, let's get the canvas, image, non-sprite. Let's bring you up and hope. Alright, it didn't work, did it? Yeah, no. Holy shit, that's tiny. Is that the... I don't know. Where's the image? Let's do this. So, I don't know where that image went. So, this is the image. I think it's way too small though. So, I don't know what happened. Let's get a new canvas here. So let's go with a create. No, not empty. Delete that. Let's just delete this. Let's do create UI, image. Let's do dead zone tactics. Oh, okay, okay. So let's do... It's gonna look so weird. But I'm down for it. Alright, yeah, that's gonna be very scuffed, but... You know, it works. It works. Let's do it. So, let's do a little bit of testing again. So, this should be doing anything. So, there we go. That's our character. So we're done with this part of the game. All right. So let's erase that from our to-do list. It's supposed to say. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Alright, there we go. So, now, we got this all set up. It's looking all good. Let's just save this real quick. Assets, scenes, and menu. No, not main menu. Player. There we go. So, alright, so let's do the movement in the game. So zombie title. Let's ask for a player movement script. Let's make sure it's all clicked. So give me a script that lets make me a script that will allow the player to control the character in a 2D top-down video game inside of Unity. So, there we go. So, let's just get the controller on. While that's all generating, let's do... So, here, let's do... Don't need that anymore. So, player movement, that's what we're going to do. Title screen, we can actually move this. Control C. Control V. Title screen, let's do title screen for now will update later. There we go. There we go. So depth system. We're doing the player movement now. So let's give it a rigid body. So let me open up Unity. Let me add player, add component, 2D, rigid body. Rigid body 2D. There it goes. So player, let's have it mass 0, 0, 0. Everything's all good. While we're at it, let's see what happens. Yeah, there we go. So let's ask it this. So let's bring up ChatGPT. What's it? The components of, is it the rigid body? Yeah, actually, nah. Let's do, alright. So I'm gonna move this screen over to where I can see it, and then you guys can watch me code it. So let me just move it over here. Let me just open up Unity again. Close out of this window, open up Unity. Assets, scripts, this, create, C#script, player manager, player, movement. Let's bring this up. So this is the movement of the character. So start RB equal get component. Let's do this. Rigid body. RG. Oh, RIG. RIG. Capital RIG. RIG. ID. Body. 2D. Let's close it in this without ending it with a semicolon. There it goes. So we can actually delete this because we already know what that means. Let's do that 2 down. There we go. So let's do public float. Public float move speed equals 5F. Then let's make another one for private rigid body. Rigid. Oh, RG. Body 2G. RG. RB. There we go. So now we can just make this a little bit pretty. There we go. Let's be good. Now on to the update. So let's do update down here. Let's do float horizontal input. Float horizontal input. Input equals input dot get access raw horizontal there we go. And let's do another float for the vertical input. Float vertical input. There you go. I apologize. I can't type anything. Input dot get access raw. Just raw. Let me make sure this is all good. Axis raw. Then let's do vertical, vertical, cal. There it goes. We'll get it eventually. All right. Sauce. So let's do vector 2 movement. Vector 2 movement equals new for vector 2, then horizontal input. Let's do this, horizontal input, then vertical input, then let's close that into semicolon, movement dot normalize there you go, spelled that right, surprisingly. Alright, let's do that. Let's do another one. RB for velocity, RB dot velocity equals movement times move speed, move speed. There we go. So this should be attached to the player. So let me bring this up. Let me bring that up. So let me just do this. Play and move. All I have to do is just drag and drop, and hopefully. Okay. Nope, there's no errors. It's connected. So let's hopefully. Okay, there we go. It works. 5 is... Yeah, there we go. So, we got the movement all done. Alright, so it's just WASD, like normal. But, hold on. Why is it still... Okay. My character works, but... Here, let's ask chat. Let's ask it again. So, my player is slowly moving down. How can I fix it? Can I fix it to make it move only when I make the character move using WASD. So hopefully that works. Hopefully it gives us a solution for that part of it. So select your player object in Unity, find rigid body component, gravity scale. Oh, so just gravity scale equals 0. Alright, so everything else is the same basically. Okay, yeah, so it's easy. Gravity scale 0. There we go. And now hopefully that saves it. So yeah, we don't go down. Okay, that's actually very useful. Okay, so we got that all done. So player movement, I want to make the player suit. So I want to have the player shoot out a projectile. So let's ask that. I want the player to be able to fire a projectile. I want the player to be able to fire a projectile by clicking. Let's do left click. Yeah, left click. By left clicking their mouse. How do I accomplish that? But let's do, what do you think is good, like, pistol stored around? But the, how do I accomplish that? But the, alright. Anyway, what is it doing here? Because that's actually new. Player controller. Input, moving the player. He's an updated version. Okay, so this makes it all functioning well. Alright, so now I want the player to be able to fire a projectile while left clicking their mouse. One click. One click equals one fire. One projectile fire. Projectile fired. They will be using a Glock pistol. I don't know. I want to see if it actually did a Glock pistol. Or 911 pistol. Hold on. What are some pistol names? Pistol names. So let's do, I don't know. Let's do Beretta MP. No. Let's do, yeah, let's just do, I don't know. Let's do, pistol. Just a pistol. They will be firing a pistol that has a magazine of, let's do a magazine of 12. Magazine of 12. That has 12 rounds in the mag. And they have 3 mags. Alright. They're firing a pistol that has, I don't know. I wanna try to make it as specific as possible. That way, nothing messes up, and it actually gives me an option to possibly like change it higher and higher. So I don't know. Let's do. They will be firing a pistol that has. Actually, the making of Dead Zone Tactics. There we go. Just want to change the stream name up real quick for you guys. Alright, so. Oh, also, way off question. This song is about the hot dog Snapchat filter, by the way. Just so you guys know. So, I didn't know that either, but now you guys know. So, it's about the hot dog Snapchat emoji. It's hilarious. Sorry. There we go. It's a good song too, but it, just so you guys know, it's a meme song. Pistol will be firing has 6 shots. I don't know. How does other games do it? Let's beat up Apex to see how they did theirs. So give me 1 second, actually. Let me actually save this and close out of this. Save. Close. We get Yeah, let me boot up Apex real quick. We're not playing Apex. We're just using it to see how they do their pistols. Because I want to have just something as a base, you know, to go off of. That way we can ask the chat GPD or whatever it is about like how we use it to do this. I want to have the question be as specific as possible. That way it gives us a better outcome, you know? So, I don't know. So let me do this real quick. There we go. So, Apex is just booting up right now. Let me actually just mute this for you guys. We're not actually playing Apex, so I'm just going to see how they do their pistol real quick. So, let me do this. I want to show you guys as well. So, first gun, pistol. First gun, pistol. Alright, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so how do they do their pistols? Okay, just checking, my friends. Alright, so firing range. There we go. I want to check Discord real quick. Just to see if anyone saw playing or anything like that. Alright, there we go. So how do they do their pistol? Okay, so E, we do U, 14 shots. Alright. Alright, that wasn't actually that productive, so. Alright, so I'm just gonna say pistol. Ooh, the first weapon should actually be a knife. So, I want the player to have... Let me go back to here. Alright, so, it has to be this. Let's ask it... I want the player to have... a knife as their first weapon. I want the player to have a knife as their first weapon. Alright, let's do... How should I go first weapon? To use the weapon, the player must click left click to be able to use the knife. I want the player to have a knife as their first weapon. To use the weapon, the player must click the left click on their mouse. Must left click their mouse. Left click their mouse to be able to use the knife. There is no animation for the knife attack. There's no animation for the knife attack. How should I go about... let's do, how should I go about adding the knife as well as the script. Where should I attach? Where should I attach the script or the scripts? If there is more than one. So, hopefully that'll give us a detailed explanation on how to do this and stuff like that. So, I actually don't know if this is gonna work. It could work, it could not work. I don't know. So, okay, it does. So, create a new game object by create a new game object by right-clicking in the hierarchy window and choose to create empty. Rename this object to knife. Alright. So let's bring up Unity again. I gotta keep it up this time. Do some tactics. I think after this we might call it a day. Keep it kind of small. Keep it like 2 hours, not that long. So, we got this. Create empty knife. Wait, it creates an empty? Huh. I don't know. I'm gonna ask it. Why do I create an empty object? Why do I create an empty object for the knife? For the knife. Could I also use could I also use a 2D sprite for it? There we go. Yes, you could use a 2D sprite. Alright. So it's a container for the script that handles the attack logic. By creating an empty game object and attaching the script to it, you can easily manipulate the position and rotation of the knife independently of the player. This should be useful if you want to have the knife move or rotate specifically way during the attacking animation. You don't need this. Import the knife. Okay, so yeah, we could just use a empty object. So let's open up Unity. So let's do 2D object sprite. 2D object sprite. Let's do square again. But let's do this. Let's do this. Let's make it just black. Alright, so square is just gonna be called knife. There we go. Call it knife. So let's bring up this again. There you go. So 1, create a new empty object, rename knife. Sprite render. Don't need that. Create a new script by right-clicking, create C# script, name it knife attack. So we can do that. Create knife attack. Attack. There we go. Just want to make sure it got it all night. So let's move it onto the knife. So hopefully that, yep, there it goes. So I think I need to add where its body. So, of course, I'm gonna do it again. Bring up the code. Let me do this. bring up the code, knife attack.cs. Let me move this onto my screen. So I apologize again, but it's public class, knife attack, public int damage. So I just need void update for this one. So let me just do this. There we go. Actually, oh crap, I don't want that. There we go. Let's do public int damage equals 10. Then let's go down to update. Let's make sure I can actually do this right. There we go. So as soon as we start, we're going to do an if statement. If input get mouse button put dot get mouse button down then 0. There we go. Down. Let me just do this. Get that out. Collider 2D. Collider 2D. Let me just enclose it in here. Hit colliders. Hit colliders. Colliders equals physics.2D. Let me just actually copy and paste. Actually, no, I'm not gonna copy and paste. I'm just gonna write down all the code myself. Physics 2D. Physics 2D dot overlap circle all. Overlap circle all. Transform form dot position this if. So that's be good for that. Let me go into the next one. Let's just copy this. Nope, I'm not gonna copy it. Alright, so that's be. No, I don't need. I need more if statements. There we go. Let's just do this. Okay. There we go. 3. Collider 4 eighths. 4 eighths. Collider 2D. Collider. There in hit colliders. Then a new set of this. Colliders, enemy equals collider dot get component dot get component. Okay, so I need to add an enemy here too. Enemy. Then close it. Circles. Then this. Another if statement. If. There we go. Enemy. Exclamation mark equals null. And this. Another one. Enemy isn't applied. Damage to it. Enemy dot take damage. Dot take damage. Then damage. Alright. There we go. mixer. This is all pretty. There we go. Knife attack. Then let us go back to our game system. Here. Let me get this up here. Let me just move the knife. Alright, actually. Alright, so. There's a lot of errors here. So. Alright. There's a bunch of stuff that we haven't done. So. What have we done? Alright, there's lots of errors here. So let me get back to chat. There is lots of errors to this code. How do I fix the errors? Alright, let's see what happens. Sorry to hear you. To help you fix the errors, please provide me the specific errors that you're seeing on the console. Alright, let me just copy and paste this to see if we can. And we can't. So. Alright, so let me do this. The first error. Error CS125. CS 1525. 1525. Syntax error in your code to fix this area. You need to identify where the problem is occurring. Information about the errors occurring and what the error message says. It says invalid expressing term if. Alright, hopefully that works. Currently occurs in the syntax. Switch the area. View the code where the error occurs and check for any syntax errors such as missing or extra characters. So if. Alright, so I need to add an enemy first. How do I add an enemy to check if the knife works. To add enemy. Okay, so now it's giving me more stuff to do. Okay, this is actually really good. So let's keep going. Alright, let's do box collider. Oh wait, I should probably add a collider to the knife. Alright, hold up. Should I add a box collider to the knife? There you go. Let's see what that says. Yes, box collider. So let's add a box collider to the knife, just real quick. 2D box collider. There we go. Let's make this a child to the player. There we go. There you go. Hopefully that works. So, let us. There we go. Alright, so. I'm going to try to get this all done first. Alright, So hopefully this works. So let us do. All right. Let's go back here. Okay, so I'm gonna add everything now. So yes, physics 2D. Add component. Select physics 2D. So let's do this. Physics 2D. Oh, okay, so there, okay. Alright, so let us create a new game object, new enemy, 2D, sprites, circle, enemy, there we go, project. There we go. Create a new game. Add a box collider. Box collider 2D. Component, physics, box collider 2D. Circle collider 2D. There we go. To the enemy object, and it's just its size and position. We don't need that. Create a new script called enemy health. So let's do that real quick. Create 2D script. Enemy enemy health. Enemy health. Add this to the enemy. What? It's made it. Fine. Delete. Let's make a new one. Alright, let's do this. Create the script. Enemy health. Enemy health. There we go. So hopefully this works. But it exists. The script cache can't be found. What do you mean? Okay. Let's do this. Alright. Let us just go into the here. Scripts. Nah, we can't do that. Alright, let's just try to add it manually then. I don't know what's happening. Enemy health, don't know why that's not working. No, not a new text file. Let's do I don't know. Let's save everything now. Let's try to add it now. Enemy health. Alright, hopefully now it works. So enemy health does exist. I don't know why it's just not being able to. Let's add a script. Let's add. What? Okay, new script. Let's do enemy health right here. Delete this. Let's just make it in here. Don't know why that's not working. New script. Enemy health. Create and add. Okay, there we go. Now it works. Don't know where it is on here though. Oh, here it is. So let's do scripts. So enemy health, let's boot this up. Add script, public method, take damage. Alright, can you give me the enemy health, script as a full script, not broken up. There we go. Let's see what that does. That way we can just see what it does here, because I just want to see. Enemy health. Should. How can I make the debug log tell when the enemy is hit? There we go. Debug, you can modify the take damage. Health. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. You guys aren't going to be able to see this screen here. Hold up. Health equals public void take damage. Alright, hold up. This is actually void take damage. Void take damage. Oh, okay. So that's just under public void take damage. Okay, so I'm gonna move it to this screen. You guys are gonna watch me do code. So give me 1 second. So don't need any of these. So let's just exit this. 2. There we go. So let's do public int. Public int enemy health equals 100. Then public void equal take damage. Int damage. So let's make this, then this. Alright, enemy health minus equals health. Alright, nope. Health minus equals damage. If enemy health is under 0, under or equal 0, then let's do this. Then destroy game object. And destroy the game object. Game object. There we go. Can't forget about this. Colon. Okay, so stuff destroy game object underneath here. Debug dot log enemy hit. Slice mark enemy health and enemy health plus enemy health plus enemy health, which is right here. Then that should be good. Hopefully there's no errors. There probably is because of the knife. But let's see. Bring you back here. Alright, so let me just see this real quick. Yep, there's still compiler errors. So We gotta make sure that everything's all okay and good. So, 1388, valid express in term of if. Okay. Let's see, hopefully this actually works. Hopefully it takes away that compiler. Nope. V. Alright, so. Alright, hold up. We'll get this done soon. Alright, so. So, this isn't good. There's always errors in this. Alright, so. So it looks like it's only in a knife attack. There's a bunch of knife attack. Alright, hold up. Did we copy this all right? Hold on. If you guys are new and just joining in now, we are making a video game just by using ChatGPT, or whatever it's called. So we're just doing all the code in it. The only thing we're not doing is just the, like, graphics of the video game that we have to do ourselves, and the music in the game. Other than that, it's all going to be ChatGPT, or however you say it. I don't know. It's one of those ways. So let's do player health. Let's go back to the. So this is the code for the knife, apparently. Get component and hit colliders. Alright, so not sure why this is. Don't know why this is all not working though. Hit colliders. Hold on, is there hit colliders that we're missing here? The enemy. Let's do hit colliders. Okay, nope. So I think that's just hitting the colliders. So we can't run it because we still have a bunch of stuff going on with the knife. So, not exactly sure how this is gonna work, but I don't know. We'll get something done. So, let's see. I'm gonna move this to my other screen so I can actually see it a little bit better. That way I'm not switching back and forth. So I do apologize if you guys want to see this code, but you guys are gonna see this code here. We are just gonna use it with this. So, give me 1 second. I will be right back. And I can barely see chat, so I do apologize if I don't get to your message. So, just so you guys know. Alright, let's go. Let's bring the code up. So, update. This damage is good. Void update. F button gets down. Collider 2D, hit colliders. Overlap, circle all. Transform. Dot position. That if. Then for each. Collider 2D. Collider 2D. 2D in. Hit colliders. Hit colliders. Enemy. Collider dot get component enemy. If enemy does not equal null, enemy equals take damage. Alright. So. I have an enemy in the. I have an enemy in the game screen. Game. How am I able to make the knife do damage to the enemy? There we go. Let me just ask you another question. Sorry, you guys couldn't see that. So the knife attack is all good. On mouse down, attack. Okay. Let's do this. The button I want. Can you do that? Can you do the code again? But the button to be clicked to use the knife is left click. Click. Alright, so hopefully this works again. So, if input this... Okay. Attack, play knife attack sound or animation here. Check for colliders. Okay, there we go. This worked now. So, it didn't do the collider tag function here. So, let's do knife attack again. I'm gonna move it again, so I do apologize. Here you go. So let's actually int tap knife damage. Knife damage equals 10. Damage is still gonna be 10. So let's get rid of all these. We're just gonna do a new update. If input.get mouse button down, if input dot get mouse button down 0 0, not O. There we go. Then move like this. Then attack. Attack. This is going to be a new function that we're going to make down below. So let us make that function now. Let's go up here. There we go. Private void attack. Private void attack. There we go. Let's make a new function here. Alright, so collider 2D. Collider 2D. Let me make this. Colliders equals physics. No. Physics 2D dot overlap circle overlap circle all. There we go. Move this over here. Alright, so this could work to get the knife working. Overlap circle all, then transform form dot sysn if. And let's add a semicolon down. Let's do for reads again. Alright, yep, for reads is still in the attack function. So we could just do for eats, not for reads. Kind of dumb, but oh well. Collider 2D. Collider in colliders. Then let's do a new round of semicolons. If collider dot game object dot tag equals and enemy. So this tag basically searches for if it has an enemy tag, and then it'll attack it. So let's do an enemy health, enemy. Next, let's just do this. Just copy and paste this. There we go. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I have no clue why. If it does, I don't know why either. So hopefully there's no. Okay, there's more. There's more errors. That's not good. All right, so the modified private is not a valid term for this. Okay. It's all knife attack. There's a lot of. Let's get back chat CPT. There are a. There is. Okay, in this update, the script update method is used to check if the left mouse button has been clicked. So if so, the attack method is called, which performs the same actions as before. Note that the knife damage variable is still assumed to be set in a positive integer value that represents the amount of damage the knife does to the enemies. If the enemy game is still assumed to have a Collider 2D component, so let's do Collider 2D. Let's make sure that has it. Enemy. Yeah, Circle Collider 2D. So, unless we made it wrong. Let's do sprites. Let's do square. Enemy 2. Enemy 2. And I spelled it wrong. Enemy enemy 2. There we go. We'll change it soon, but alright, so let's do rename enemy. Let's move this as enemy. So this is actually going to be the enemy. So instead of a 2D circle collider, we are just going to do physics 2D box collider 2D. So hopefully that makes it a lot better. So let's do enemy. Let's add the enemy script, enemy health to the actual enemy. And it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't. Alright, so that's not good. So is there actually any way to make this into a circle? I don't think so. Alright. I don't think so. Unless I can just make it into a circle. That'll be way better. Alright, sprite renderer. Let's do... No. Alright, nope. That didn't work. What is this? What is this? I don't know. Oh, wait, hold up. That was bad to do. Scripts. Yeah, I know. So, enemy health. This actually... I don't know. Alright, so... Let me try to add this to here. What the hell? Alright. I don't know. Enemy health. I don't know. Let's just copy and paste this code. Copy, because we're just going to delete it. Delete, yes. So enemy, let's add a new enemy script. Enemy script to here. Straight add. scripts. Be out here. So now we can just do copy and paste. Control S. So, alright, scripts. Yes, that's what we want to do. So, I don't know. There's a bunch of expectations here. Where did I miss a semicolon here? I want to check the code here. Alright, let me get this up. Alright, so alright, so knife damage, enemy, knife damage. Alright, so back up here. Alright, so here's an updated version of the knife card. Right click, add mouse. So let's do public knife attack. Let's just copy and paste this to see. Alright, so don't do this in real code, but we're in desperate times here. Okay, good. So hopefully, now that we copied and pasted it, I know you're not supposed to do that, but I decided to. So hopefully we can actually get some good stuff here. Oh, okay. I don't know what happened there, but let's try it. Let's get the console up here. Alright, so let's see if we can get this fixed up here. So it seems like the reference script on this behavior game enemy is missing. So we have the associated script cannot be loaded. Fix any compiling errors. So let's go back to the code. So enemy script. So it doesn't look like anything's wrong here. I think I just have to just do this real quick. So I don't know what... Okay, yeah. So I guess... I hope this works now? Alright, so the reference script on this behavior game object enemy is missing. So let me just do... Let me go back here. Let's just ask it what it is. So I'm actually going to do this real quick. So let's just do unpause this. Alright, so Unity is saying that the referenced script on this behavior script on this behavior game object enemy is missing. What should I to fix this? So hopefully it says something back. Let me see what it says though. So it's something went wrong. Regenerate. Hopefully it works again. Right, actually, let me just copy and paste this. It just broke a little bit. Don't worry about it. Play controller. There we go. So hopefully now it gives us a fix for this issue. I'm not actually sure what happened with it, but this error usually occurs when the script that was previously attached to a game object has been deleted or moved to a different location. Okay, so we just have to add it again. Big old jar of dirt. Hey, yo, Dirt, what's up? What's poppin', bro? Honestly, we're just vibing trying to make a video game using ChatGPT. It's going as well as you would expect. Lots of errors. But, glad to see you here, bro. Hopefully you're doing alright, dude. It's been a while since we talked. Hopefully everything's going well with you, though. Alright, so enemy script. Let's try to attach this. Let's just add a new script here. Hopefully that fixes it. So let's actually just close out of it completely. Hopefully it did save. We'll find out in a couple of seconds. If it did, it did. If it didn't, oh well, we have the code. We can just copy and paste it. So, that's something. So, enemy script is here, though. So, that's good. Going just dandy. I'll keep a look, bro. Alright, thank you, man. Hey, have a good... Thank you. I appreciate the look, man. Alright, so. Enemy script. This is non-existent anymore. Let's just copy and paste this. Alright, so let's just delete this. Delete completely. Enemy. Let's add a new one. Alright, now let's just add a new script. Create CS script. Let's do enemy health. There we go. Let's just boot up this. Paste. Control S. Hopefully. Uh-oh. Okay, that's two. That ain't good. So let's just attach this to the enemy here. Alright. The script does not exist. Alright, so glad we have the code all here. So let's actually go into the code. Enemy health. So, enemy health is no longer here. So, that's good. So let's go with the enemy. Add. Properties, maybe. Let's just get rid of the script. Let's remove this component. Add new. Enemy health here. No, it doesn't. Where is it then? Alright, assets. Let's try to find it here. Scripts. Alright, hold up. This may have just broken, so that's not good. Alright. Let's just boot it back up and hope. Alright. Huh. This is where the project is. Yes. I know. It always has compiling errors. That's the perks of game dev. Everything just has an error to it. So, yeah. Good work. Alright. So, hopefully we can find a new script. Enemy add new script. Enemy health. There we go. Now, boot up. Control V. There you go. So hopefully now it works a little bit better. Let me just make this a little bit nice. Did int damage have a semicolon in it? Let me see up here. Nope, it didn't. It's a public void, that's probably why. So let's go back and hopefully it works. There we go. Let me just save this. And hopefully it works this time. I don't know if it will. Probably not, but hey, we'll try it. So, hopefully now it works. So it looks like nothing. Now it's rolling. Alright, so if it works, so let us do. Alright. I want the knife to do constant damage with no input from the user. I want the knife to attack automatically. Let's do. I want the knife to attack automatically. I want the knife to attack automatically with no user input, with a delay of, let's do 10 seconds. Guns. How do I do that? So, knife attack. We're just gonna copy and paste this. Alright, so this is all going in a knife attack. So hopefully it works. Alright, so let's just copy and paste this to make it a little bit easier. Yeah, let's just do this. So this is all knife attack, so let's go into here. Knife attack. Control V. There's not going to be too much change in here. Just want to see if this works as well. So let's bring up Unity. Hopefully no compiling errors. Okay, good. Oops. Alright, so alright, this one is a little tough to do. Does it have a debug in the code? That's probably why. Enemy health. Alright, so let me go back to chat. The debug won't show if the enemy was hit or damaged. How do I fix that? There we go. Hopefully this works. Is it Vac? Is it Vac? I do apologize if I spelled your name wrong. VacQuix88. Thank you for joining. We're just making a video game right now. Hopefully your day is going all well. Hopefully this actually does something for us. Attack. Time since last attack. That's what we're gonna have to add. What's it trying to do? I might be able to help. Honestly, we're just doing a chat. I'm trying to do a challenge. I'm gonna try to make just a small video game, just using Chat GPT. So that's the only thing I'm allowed to use. The only thing that I'm gonna have to do myself is the music in the game, the sound effects in the game, and the graphics in the game. Other than that, I'm gonna try to do this fully with ChatGPT, like asking it the questions, doing all that to see if it's possible, and hopefully it is. That'll actually be very useful for a lot of people. All right, so right now we're just trying to get the knife thing to work. All right, so let's do. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't know. What's it? So let's see if this actually works. So it looks like I'm gonna move this screen over here. So I do apologize. Okay, so attack, enemy health. This is knife attack. Oh wait, so I have to do it on a knife attack. Okay. So attack. Time since last attack, 0F. Attack. Oh, so I have to add the debug log here too. Okay, so I just have to add the debug log here. Oh, wait, hold up. I want to try this out first. I think I may have just put it in the wrong spot. Do this. Save this. Bring this over here. Let's bring up Unity here. And of course. Why are there so many? Oh my god, this wasn't here before. Alright, hold up. Could it be just because of that one mistake? Hold up. Ain't no way. There we go. This is the only thing I changed. So hopefully it worked before. I don't know why. Alright. Okay, yeah, it was just that. So let's try where did Chat GPT put it? So it's directly underneath in the if statement. Okay, so let's try that. So if statement in the if statement. So down here, debug.log, enemy.hit. Let me just copy and paste this. V. Alright, so hopefully now it works. So, okay. The name enemy health does not exist in the current context. Okay, let's ask it. When I... Wait, did anything appear? In... Oh, enemy.currently. Okay, enemy.current health. Enemy.current health. Oh, whoops. Wrong run. Enemy.current health. Enemy dot. Alright, let's go back to chat. Dot current health. Let's just copy and paste this, hopefully. There we go. Enemy dot. That is not what I copied. Alright. There we go. Enemy dot current health. So hopefully this works. No, I don't want that screen. I want this screen. There we go. Current health. Hopefully that works here. Alright, so let's go back to Unity and hope it works. Okay. Does not contain definition. Enemy health does not contain case. Okay, I'll just copy and paste this. Hopefully this copies and pastes everything here that I'm trying to do. So let's ask chat. This was the message I got when I added the debug log in the debug log debug.log inside the knife attack. So hopefully this actually tells us how. Stick the edit because the enemy health does not have a current health variable. To fix this, modify the enemy health script to in public int current health. Public int current health. So that's work. Public int current health. So public int current health. So hopefully that works. Not sure if it will. Yeah. For it start. Okay, hold up. I need to add the, oh boy, I gotta add the forward start again. Forward start. Let's do this. Let's do current health equals max health. Max health. And then that should be good. Now let's make this a little bit pretty. There we go. Save. Hopefully there's no more compiling errors. Probably, yep. Alright, hold up. Let me just copy and paste this. Here's the mess error I got. So basically we're trying to just run it down till it's final, alright? This is the error I got when I added the current health. There we go. So hopefully it actually helps us this time. Fix this. Max health. Huh. Alright, so current health equals damage amount. Alright, so we just have to add this. To fix this error, you can define max health as a public int. This didn't actually do anything. I don't know, let's try it. So, enemy health, there we go. Void, public void, take damage, int damage, amount. Amount. If let's do if int die. Actually, let's actually just mute this out real quick. Let's just do die here. Die. Let's not do that space just in case. And then void die. Die. Let's do exclamation mark Well, not X minus mark, whatever that curly brackets is. Destroy game object. So, hopefully this time, probably not going to work, but oh well. Let's see. Okay. Let's just do save. Let's just restart it. It might actually have worked. I just don't know. So, let me see. Alright, so. No, okay, yeah. Nah, didn't work. So that's not good. Alright, so. There we go. Max health is variable. Alright, I think that's... Hold up. Was that max... Was that in the right one? Okay, yeah, it was. It was in enemy health. I didn't go crazy. Not yet. Alright, there we go. Start. Current health equals max health. Can you show me the whole enemy health script with all the corrected errors? There we go. Let's hopefully that gives us the whole thing, especially with the errors all fixed, and hopefully this could actually work. So basically we're just trying to get the knife to work. If we can do that, then we can call it a night, but haven't gotten it done yet. So let's just copy and paste this. Well, no. Let's not copy it. I think that's how it broke last time, so we're just gonna manually type it. So, forward start is all good. Current health, start. Current health equals max health. And damage amount. Take damage. Take damage down. That's what I'm gonna do. So take damage, living down below here. So, hopefully, this should work. Probably not. I have little hope, I'll be honest. Yeah, there we go. Nothing happened. There we go. Nothing was fixed when I used this code. So hopefully, there we go. Apologies for confusing. Would you like to provide more context about this specific error? New errors appearing. Yeah, let's do this. There we go. So hopefully we'll get it down. With a bunch of copy and pasting and hope. Sarah's telling you max health variable is not being recognized by enemy health script. Okay. Yeah, max health still... Huh. Let's see. We'll get it eventually. This is basically just trial and error. I still don't know if this is actually possible. We're just trying it out. Yeah. Hoping. Okay, so max health, int damage amount. So current health, that damage amount. If current health is less than 0, then die. Debug.log, and we hit current health. This plus current health, which is equal to max health. So die, and we died. This is the same. This is the code. Top of the class. Oh, here it is. Max health. Max health. There we go. Hopefully this works. Don't know. Don't think so. Oh, yeah, it did. Okay, so hopefully now. Okay. Maybe it's because it's not a circle. Alright, so I know it sounds weird, maybe? But I don't know, it could be, that could be the case. Let's do 2D object, sprites, circle, enemy. Oh, wait, hold up. I don't have the tag. That's why. Oh my god, I am kind of dumb. Add tag. New. Enemy. I completely forgot the one easiest part. The most important part about this whole step. The enemy tag. That's why it's not working. So, that's 100% why. Never mind, it's not 100% why. Alright, so let's do, I don't know. Enemy tag. Let's do enemy tag. Let's do add enemy health. So the enemy health is there. 100. Unless this could also be the case. So the enemy health is at 100%. Still at 100%. Alright, so alright, so it's not good. Let's see if we can just debug anything. Alright, so just clear everything. Let's see if this works. Okay, nope. So enemy has, circle has enemy tag. So, what's this screen here? Bounty volume. So, let's do 100. Circle has enemy tag. Doesn't have box collider though. Circle collider. There we go. It has 100 health. So hopefully now, circle still has 100. Okay, there we go. It worked. There we go, it worked. Alright, there we go. So, if you look at this, every 10 seconds, I think. So the circle, yeah, every 10 seconds, the circle displays the health. Yeah, there we go. So, there we go. The enemy is dead. So basically, what that code did is this sword has a player, aka the player has a sword or a knife that constantly hits the damage of the player of the enemy. It has 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, this enemy should get damaged. So let's go with enemy. Look, the current health is at 80%. So if we run into it again, it should be at 60. Then, if it keeps getting hit, I don't know if it's actually based off of if you're close enough to it, but I don't know. But the code basically allows the sword to be a sword and then hits the enemy. Look, it just went 60 to 40. So, it works. That's very helpful. Okay, so, but I'm gonna save everything. Save everything. Save everything. So, do apologize, everyone. But that's gonna be it for the stream today. It was actually a very productive stream, but don't go anywhere. I want to raid out to someone. So don't go anywhere. Not yet, anyways. So, let me just close out everything. Actually, first, before we go, let's just do this. Player movement is done. Control C. Control V. So player movement is done. Enemies is slightly done, but we're not going to do anything with that. So, let me just save that. Let me bring the screen back to me. So, that is going to be the end of the stream today. But don't go anywhere, please. I want to raid out to one of my buddies. Don't know who we're going to raid out to, but we'll find someone. So, don't go anywhere. I just want to find someone to be able to start, raid out to. So, let me find someone. Alright, there we go. Back in. Alright, is there anybody from the stream team here? So, I don't know. Let me see. See. Alright, so, let me just do this real quick. Alright. Nope, I need that screen. Let me get Twitch back up. Sorry about this. I need to get better at doing this. Yeah, it's fine. We'll get it one day. Create a dashboard. Here it goes. We actually did a lot here. It was actually very productive. Stuff like that. Just everything good happened today. So we are gonna raid out to Outlaw Son. Yeah, Outlaw Son. He's currently playing Raft, so go give him a follow. Go show him some love. So, if you guys do enjoy, thank you for watching. We will tomorrow's stream we won't be going back to game dev. We're just gonna play normal game. Not sure what game we're gonna be playing, but who knows? It might be Hades, but I don't know. We might try something else though. But if you guys do enjoy, thank you all for watching though. Next stream after tomorrow's stream is gonna be on Saturday or Friday. I don't know yet. But thank you all for watching. Peace. There we go. Now I'm just going to